Morning, guys. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, road trip time. It is actually like drizzling with the sun out. It's really weird. The weather's just been weird. So I have the Scat Pack behind me. So today's video, basically, I'm going to tell you guys how good of a road trip this vehicle is. So first things first, I got to pack up the trunk. As you can see here, first thing you need for a good road trip car is a trunk, and this thing's got it. So let's go ahead and pack this thing up, shall we? And voila! Look at all that space, guys. Got the woman's bag, my bag, plenty of space. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, so the point of the video is just for me to kind of tell you guys how this car does on a road trip. I'm going to go over like how comfortable it is after a while. I'm going to go over the gas mileage it gets. I've done road trips before. This will be the longest. I'm going from New Jersey to South Carolina, right outside of Philadelphia. Because of all the craziness going on with all the weather, Google says about 10.5 hours. My last road trip, I didn't get that great of gas mileage, believe it or not, because I had this car loaded up with 4 people. The trunk was loaded up even more than it is this time. And it was a lot of stop and go, so my gas mileage actually wasn't impressive at all. Right now I think I'm averaging 20 or 21. I do a lot of highway driving to work, which is kind of high, probably because the weekend isn't here yet. Usually when the weekend comes in, I'm driving a little more spiritedly, and my gas mileage goes down a couple, and miles per gallon goes up. So we'll kind of just, as we go, I'll show you guys anything cool along the way, and I'll kind of just go over how the car does, because anybody's wondering how a car this does on a road trip, especially a long road trip. So let me start this bad boy up, piss off my neighbors real quick, because this is what happened, and get out of here.
Hey guys, Johnny GT reporting live at Mom's Organic Market, the best grocery store in the area.
You're taking too long. So we went to some hippie place called Organic Moms, my little brother here, because he's a hippie. So we're gonna get out of here now because we still have like 8 hours to go. So let's get the hell out of here. Cold start.
I'll drive. Time for me to drive this bad boy. Let me show you guys how it's really done on the road. Watch out, Popo!
Alright guys, we're in Virginia now. We are not quite halfway through our trip yet. Still have 5.5 hours, so we did take a stop, got gas. So update on the car, I'm averaging 24 miles a gallon, which isn't bad at all actually, in my opinion. Pretty comfortable. My legs do get cramped, particularly my thighs get a little cramped. But we're in Virginia, which I want to get out of this damn state. You can't have radar detectors, and there's signs everywhere saying, actually see it right here, check out these signs, enforced by aircraft. So signs everywhere, and all the signs from like above 80s, like reckless driving. It's out of control. I think this is a state where they threw the dude in jail that was a journalist for doing like 93. I think it was like any mile an hour over 90 was a day in jail. That's some stupid ass shit. I don't got time for that. So let's get the hell out of the state. I'll give you guys an update soon. Alright, peace. Alright guys, we're in North Carolina? We're in North Carolina now. Still have plenty of time to go. I'm going to give you guys a pretty funny quick update here. As I was doing my last clip with you guys, I was kind of explaining how terrible Virginia is of a state as far as just getting pulled over. my mom called me. They're also traveling to the same destination that we're going. And then my dad got pulled over by the state police. So she actually called me as I was wrapping up that last clip that I probably just showed you guys. So I'm kind of laughing over here a little bit. If you knew my dad, he's pretty hysterical. He's a little bit of a hypocrite, but still love him. So pretty funny to get that phone call. I was actually really wanted to like pass them so I could get a quick clip, but they actually had it all wrapped up by the time I got to where they were. So yeah, he got hit 83, I want to say, and a 70. And as I mentioned in my last clip, that's considered reckless. But it's confusing. I'll see if I can look into it more. It's confusing. I think it's like still one ticket. Like it's all wrapped up as like a bundle package. Thank you, Virginia. So yeah, that's that update. So car's still getting about 24 miles to the gallon. Still pretty comfortable, no issues. Sun's out, as you could tell. And that's about that for this update, guys. I'll see you guys next clip. Alright guys, we're still in North Carolina here. Just had a quick bite to eat some dinner. Still have 4 hours left, so we'll get some night shots coming up. I'm down to about 23 miles per gallon, so I'll keep you guys posted with that. So far everything's pretty good, guys. Alright guys, so we're in, I think we're still in North Carolina. I'm not sure, to be honest with you guys. But as you can see, it is crazy downpouring. Car's doing pretty well. I actually did a video, if you guys haven't seen it yet, how this car does in the rain. I'll link it below, go check it out. So right now we're on 95, found a bunch of truckers, and it's coming down pretty bad. So otherwise, car's doing good. I don't know why I'm saying this so much, giving you guys an update gas mileage. I don't know why I'm doing this frequently, but I'm down to 23 miles per gallon average so far. I think it has a lot to do with the fact now the roads are getting hilly. I'll get into that a little bit later, but you know, there's two reasons why this car gets decent gas mileage for what it is. A, it's an 8-speed, and B, it has cylinder deactivation. So when it's running off of 4 cylinders and it's a real low rev, you know, and topped in an overdrive gear, it gets good gas mileage. Once you start going in these bigger elevation parts of the country, you know, it's running off 8 cylinders more often versus where I'm from, everything's like flat. So I'm going to continue driving safely, and I'll see you guys next clip. Alright guys, just pulling into the hotel here. It's late, it's 10:30. Long ass drive, it took freaking forever. End result is my freaking leg's a little sore. Not sore, I guess is the word. It needs some stretching. But overall, I'm going to go ahead and back my car into my VIP spot here. Overall, the car did great. We are average just under 23 miles to the gallon. Car was good to us, no major issues. Relatively pretty damn comfortable. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to park and go in because we're freaking exhausted. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next video. Take it easy. Peace.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you.
So we're on the road, guys, here with Johnny GT's YouTube channel. I'm filling in for him today as he drives down to Charleston, South Carolina. We have a really special episode coming up for you today.
Ben, you could do a clip. Relax. Jesus Christ, dude.
He's just you. A sexy stud muffin. John and Jen. Deuces. Let's see.
South Carolina. south of the border. You kept asking about that. There you go.
Fireworks.
That's south of the border for you.
What is it, an amusement park?
It's fireworks.
It's like a whole, looks like it's a bunch of things out. Like restaurants.